Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. This is going to be probably a long video made up of lots of different videos. For those of you that don't already know, I am in the process of completely revamping my craft room. I've pulled out loads and loads of stuff because it's going to need to be boxed up to get everything out to reorganize it. Now I wanted to show you the mess that I've got myself into, and probably a lot of you at home can relate to this. You know, we keep on buying more and more craft things, and then it gets to this. No word of a lie. This is my craft room. Now I have actually took one of the wardrobes out already. Now just to explain what my problem is that I've been crafting for a long time, and when I started doing videos, I didn't have a lot of money. You know, I had to sort of get by with what I could, and I was given this, if you can see behind all this mess, this white table. It's like a market stall table, and that's where I sit and I work usually there, but it's not so much of a mess. Excuse me. The problem that I've had recently is that this table is quite high. I have to sit on a bar stool, and it's really not comfortable. If I need anything, I have to jump on and off, and I can't sit for long, so I'm not getting any crafting done. I've wanted to do my craft room for a very long time, and I've, you know, made a start, etc. But I've decided to bite the bullet and have new furniture and proper organisation. But this is going to be a long road, so I thought I'd do a video today just to show you the mess that I'm in. All of this here, I've actually started to clear this because that's going. This was an old baby changing unit. That table there is going. This white table is going. I've already moved one wardrobe out, but one wardrobe has to stay. And I've already got a white chest of drawers up here at the start, like, of everything. So I am in the process of clearing stuff out, getting rid of stuff, tidying it all up, sorting out what I need, what I don't need. So I thought I would do little videos here and there to show you my progress or what state I'm in, etc. Look, even Charlie, get out the drawer, is being very curious. So this is my workstation. So I probably won't be doing as many videos at the moment because I need to get everything boxed up and pull it out, because my biggest thing is getting this big table out. I do have a new desk already. It's in my front room, and I have a Kallax unit, and I have an Alex drawers, and I have a Trofast unit. They're all downstairs, and all of this plastic nastiness is going to be going. Well, not all of it, but some of it. I have 1, 2, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I think I have one downstairs as well. So, oh, that's that Charmin's just got in from work. So I don't know if they're going to be staying or going or whatever. We'll have to play that one by ear. So this is the first video. I just thought I'd show you the mess and how much I've got to do, and I will be back with other videos to show you from time to time. So I'm going to sign off now, and I will be back for the next bit, but I'm going to join them all together, so you won't even know that I'm gone. You'll just see it all change. Okay, bye. Hi everyone, so I am back, and excuse me, just giving you an update on what I've been doing. So I've managed to get a lot of the furniture up here that I wanted, and let me just, right, there's my new desk, and it's going to be my new setup to record. So this is going to be my desk. It's a nice height, it's wonderful. I have a chest of drawers here. I did manage to get both wardrobes out. These are my other units. I've got a Kallax unit, an Alex drawers, and a Mom drawers. I've got another Kallax unit over there. Haven't managed to get rid of this work surface yet, so I'm going to make do and make it work for now. But as you can see, these are all the things that need to be sorted out. Some drawers are sorted. Some things are in their right place, but all of this on the floor, all of this, all of this, all of the stuff behind here is not sorted. They're going to be, as I've got the baskets over there, in the Kallax cubes, I'm going to have the same here as well. And I've still got some other things to go on in front here. I need to get something on the wall there eventually, and this will go, and I'm getting another like desk, so I've got work surface, and more drawers will come after, but for now I'm going to make do with those things underneath. So as you can see, I have made some progress, and I love this side in front here. This is gorgeous. Well, this isn't, but the actual, these are lovely, and I like these, but I've got to sort it all out. So yeah, and look, it's going to be a lot brighter because it's near the window. I like my tray fast over there in front, this unit just over there. My sewing machine's not going to stay there. That will eventually be on my other desk, my new desk, which I have ordered, but I'm not getting till the end of September. Meanwhile, I want to get rid of this horrible thing. So now I've got the big cleanup job of sorting out all this stuff and halving it, really. So I'll be doing some giveaways. I will be doing quite a few things. I've got my work cut out, but I thought I would just pop on, give you another update, and I will be back tomorrow to show you what I've done. I've been working all day, so me and hubby have been lugging furniture up and downstairs and getting the wardrobes out, which it is so much brighter in here. Oh my gosh, my next job, after I've sorted everything else out, will be to label things. Yay! But we're getting there, she says. Look at the mess. Look at the mess. Right, I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye. Hi, everyone, and good morning. So it is 8 o'clock in the morning. I still been working yesterday evening to get more things done in this room. And so I've just come in here now just to... It's weird because when you remember the old room and you walk in, you go... Oh my gosh, it's still not done. It's still not done, but I just wanted to show you what else I had done from last night. So, let me start on this side. This is still pretty much the same. This still has to be sorted out, but I managed to get another cube unit and did that there, which for now, these boxes can stay. I don't know if this is going to be the finished, I really wanted a bookcase up here for my vintage books that I use in my journals. So I'm not sure if those things there will stay. I have also, so we'll go back over to this side. This side, look, there's still things on the floor. There's still this paper to be sorted out. All of that there. Everything in the Kallax cubes, apart from a couple of the cubes, has got to be sorted out. But I can do that as and when. So that's my tray fast and my jars. I still have to sort out these shelves because, these are not functioning shelves in the way of, I can get to, and I know what's up there. I want it all looking really tidy. So that's another job for another day. And I need to get some little steps so I can just hop up. Excuse me, I do have my allergies are playing up this morning. Pesky cats. Yeah, he's here, look. What are you doing? And then I had, there were no cubes on here. This was a mess last night. So I now have these 2 cubes. I'm not going to do a reveal of what's in anywhere until I am definitely more organised. Because actually these ones are not too bad because that's just got jars in for now. This one just has a box, so we have room in there. These are all my coffee jars that I save up, and they have, like ribbons in. So I don't know if I will keep them like that, but for now, they are good to stay like that. These are all my, well, I'm not going to tell you what they all are. We'll go through all this when I've sorted it out. So I have now my cubes on here. Desk, oh, careful, you're going to be attacked. desk is pretty much the same. I haven't really done much else. So I do have some work to do today, so I am just really doing that, and then I will get back in here and try and get the rest of this stuff sorted out. But we are making some headway. I'm picking up some more canvas boxes later on tonight, so all of this will change. You are making me all sniffy. Yes, you naughty boy. You sniffy boy. Are you a sniffy boy? Right, okay. So that is my morning update. I will give you an evening update later. Hi everyone. So I'm going to show you how much I have done. It's still not finished. I still have a lot to do, but I'll show you the progress. So this is the craft room. Now, it's not ideal because I have things behind my door which need to go. So if we start with this side, I have still got my plastic containers, but I've kind of done them long ways. They need sorting out, but still, all of these cubes need sorting out. There's boxes up there. I have done my shelf unit, and what's it doing? So I have done all of the shelf units, which are very tidy now, and all of these bits here, and my cubes. So they're all done. Then if we go round, that is my desk, and then I have a couple of units there, my chest of drawers, my Kallax unit, which these need sorting out in front. The drawers sort of done, half done, and my Alex drawers. And then if you go up here, it's quite tidy up there. What I next have to sort out is all of this stuff here and here and here, and out in my hallway you'll see more stuff there that needs sorting out. So I will be back when I've made a bit more progress, but we are getting there. At least I've sorted out all of my shelf since we last I last saw you, and I'm not sure if the boxes are new as well. I think they are. I don't think I've videoed since I got those boxes, and that paper will be sorted out. So I am definitely making progress. So I'll be back probably tomorrow now to show you what else I've done. So thanks for watching. Hi everyone. So I am back, and I am so super excited to show you my new craft room. It's not completely finished. I have lots of stuff to sift through, but as far as the furniture and the layout, it is done. Oh my gosh, I have been working so hard for the last week, but I can't wait to show you. So I'm going to turn the camera around. Oh my gosh, are you ready? Let's have a look. Right everyone, so are you ready to have a look and see the new craft room? Okay, here we go. I don't know if you all remember what it was actually like, but this is my new craft room. Like I said, there are still some things that need to be sorted. Oh my gosh, I mean, I'm not going to go through everything now. I'm just going to show you the layout. So let me step back and show you as I've walked through the door. So here, as we walk through the door, what I've done is I have stacked two of those plastic units, one on top of the other, so I can still use the drawers. I have a Kallax unit there, and then storage up there. That corner has to be sorted out right there, but everything else is basically done. I have done all of my shelves and made them all super tidy. And then here we have a tray fast and all my jars, and then cupboards here and here, and then down below excuse me, that's a new unit there, but I've kept the plastic units there. Excuse me, we have a little set of drawers there, and then my trolley dolly there. That is my desk. it needs to be cleared off because there shouldn't be anything in that corner. But that is now my desk. And I have drawers, so all of my things that I use, oh my gosh, so much handier. But I will do a walkthrough of my craft room when I've sorted a bit more out. But I might have to break it up and do it in sort of 2 halves or something, because there is so much. Then we have another trolley dolly there, and I don't know what they're called. I forget them other trolleys in there, but that's just basically glues and that in there. So I don't use them all the time. I've got 2 little set of drawers. Not sure if they're going to stay there or not. That bit there I'm not happy about, but for now, till I find homes for everything, because actually 2 of those drawers are empty, so I could dwindle it down to something else. Then here we have another cube unit and storage boxes there, and then a set of drawers there. On this side I have more storage there, and then I have another Kallax unit, which does need to be sorted out because then papers are not going to stay like that, trust me. Then we have a set of Alex drawers here, and a mom unit from IKEA there. And then in the middle here for my center piece, it's another Kallax unit just turned on its side. I did buy all of the furniture second hand, so this does need to be painted. Look, it's all scratched, but I can live with that. At least it's in here, and there's another mark on that one as well, but they are second hand. There's nothing wrong with them, and I basically kitted out my craft room for about £350 versus £1,000 if I'd have bought it all new. So that is my layout, and look how much tidier it looks. It looks amazing. Well, I think it looks amazing. And I have my typewriter here. I have my big shot, so an area so I can use my big shot, because I was always picking it up and that and these drawers and everything. So I will do a walkthrough when I'm a little bit more organized. I hope you like it though, and I hope you've liked seeing the progress and you know, it changing. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.